Samudi jollof rice rice. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's vlog. I had to go up that water because the sun outside is not smiling. And yes, this vlog started with a market scene because I had to grab a few things at the market to cook with. Plus I am running I'm going to be having a cooking class in June. So I want to start prepping the meals for the cooking class. So I'm actually going to shoot the first video for the cooking class today. I had to quickly do a shoot before I left for the market. Now I'm back and boom, we're going right straight into work. I'm going to take a quick shower and then change into my chef uniform because that's what I want to film the cooking class videos with. Okay, so that's pretty much what we are starting this vlog with. How are you doing? Let me know in the comment section and let's get this vlog started. Okay, so I had my bath, I put on my chef uniform and I've started shooting because this is almost 3 p.m. and I need to pick the girls from school by 3:30. So I'm just going to shoot as much as I can now and then continue from there when I get back from school runs. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue shooting now and by 3:20 I should be out of the house. You guys, I'm going to pick them up from school. It's 3:20. So I need to pick them from school. I also need to grab a few groceries for quick breakfast for them, like their cereals and stuff. My nail is hurting me. And then come back and continue filming. So let's pick them up. I always forget to wind down the windows a little bit when I bring them back, just so that air can be in the car. It gets really, really hot when I want to go pick them up in the afternoon. Okay. I said you will go to Chicken Republic last night?
Yes.
Was I drunk? Why will I say that?
You said it for real.
I said it.
Yes. Mama,
And I don't think Chicken Republic is open today. Oh.
they're open.
They are open. Are you sure? Let's go. We need to buy bread and
You want the flour?
yes. Grocery done.
I know how to open my own. Ooh. Got this up right there. It's lollipop.
Where's my car key?
In your purse.
Let's go.
This ice cream is strawberry ice cream.
Should I? I don't know. turn on the gym to finish. I filmed one soup today. I'm teaching 15 soups. I'm going to put the flyer somewhere here. I'm teaching 15 soups, so I filmed one soup today, which is a dikankon, which you have seen, and it turned out amazing. But now my sink is blocked. I'm running on generator, but I just need to round off what I'm doing here in the kitchen and then go do the kids' homework, give them their bath, feed them dinner, and then have my own bath.
Understanding, you respected every boundary. You so accepting, wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know. I don't think you know what you're doing to me. I'm blossoming. I'm blossoming.
Hey guys, so I am back home and this is the hair. I hope you guys can see well. This is the hair that I made. I pretty much just spent most of the day pampering myself, pedicure, much needed pedicure, because the amount of standing that these feet require, and the amount of standing I do day in, day out, and what I'm about to start doing because of my cooking class is crazy. So my feet really deserved that pampering, and of course I needed to, make my hair and just look in the mirror and look nice. Sometimes that's all you need. Yep, so that's what I spent the day doing. It's about 5 p.m. now, and I'm trying to fix jollof rice for dinner. And this is where we end this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and fingers crossed to keep them coming back to back. Bye.